Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the invitation for August Look for Less challenge. The Look for Less challenge is a challenge that I host every month with a different co-host. In this challenge, we ask you to take a home decor item from a high-end store and recreate it for a whole lot less. This month's co-host is Yelena over at Blvd next door. Isn't that cute? The Latina next door and Blondie next door. Now, my friend Yelena has been a participant of my monthly Look for Less challenge for quite some time, and some of our Look for Lesses are absolutely amazing. I love how she takes her time on her DIYs and always pays attention to detail. Definitely check her channel out if you have not done so already. Let her know that I sent you. I am sure you're gonna love all that she creates. So if you wish to participate in this month's challenge, here are the rules. Rule number 1, you have 2 weeks to complete the challenge. Your projects are due Wednesday, August 19th at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. Again, that's 2 weeks from today, August 19th at 6 a.m. Rule number 2, those who participate, please make sure to include your hosts in your video. That's myself and Yelena. Please include links to our channels in your description box, as well as the playlist link where you will be able to add your video. This link will be included in my description box as well as Yelena's the morning the challenge goes live. If you don't have a YouTube channel and you still wish to participate, you can always do so and just tag us on Instagram, both myself and Yelena. Rule number 3, it has to be a home decor piece. It can be as small as a napkin ring or as big as a piece of furniture. That one is up to you. Rule number 4, and probably the most important, we want to see that inspiration piece and how much it costs alongside your recreated piece, because we want to see how well you did and how much you saved. And that is it for the rules to participate. I hope to see you guys back here in 2 weeks. Again, that's August 19th. Make sure to head on over to Yelena's channel and check her out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.